about to lose my sanity over dinner this week. 3 meals less than 2 hours and a stress-free week? It sounds like a win.
We're going to make this simple. Dinner's going to be on the table in minutes this week. I always start by cleaning and trimming my chicken. I know people have opinions about washing the chicken, but this is what works for me. Nothing's changed from last week. I'm still going to season all that chicken together, and then in 1 second when I separate them into their separate pans, then I'll add each special seasoning. If you're always wondering what's for dinner each week, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I will be giving meal ideas each week. Let's make our weeks a lot less stressful. While our chicken cooks, let's go ahead and knock out these sides. I made some roasted potatoes and then some green beans, both flavorful, and I don't think anybody's going to be asking about takeout this week. In an hour, we already got the first meal done. Baked chicken, green beans, and potatoes. Y'all, I am just waiting for the extra time that I'm going to have for myself this week by meal prepping. I'm prepping all my protein first because this is going to save me so much time during the week. I can't wait for you to see how these salmon tacos and barbecue chicken pizza turned out, and trust me, it is worth the wait, so stay with me. Midweek dinner takes less than 15 minutes. Let's put these salmon tacos together. Just add your salmon, add a little bit of mango salsa, and then some cabbage, and then I put a little cilantro lime sauce on it, and there you go. We're eating dinner in less than 15 minutes. In just a minute, I'm going to show you how this barbecue chicken pizza turned out. Barbecue chicken pizza is quick and easy, and it is one of my faves. We're just going to put down some olive oil, oregano, my favorite barbecue sauce, a little red onion, some chicken, and then add your mozzarella cheese, and there you go. Pop it in the oven, and it's done just like that. So no, I did not fully meal prep this week, but I did make my life 10 times easier. 3 meals in less than 2 hours and know what's for dinner. I saved time, we ate well, and I stayed sane. If you're ready to make dinner stress-free too, then subscribe. I will be dropping meal prep ideas on Sundays. See you in the next one.